Hello everybody, welcome back to Orange Soup. Today we're doing another video and yeah, we're doing Austrian states this time. And yeah, before we get into it, we have to look at the map, which is what we do in every video. So in Austria there's like 9-ish states, I think. Yeah, 9 states. And they are Vorarlberg, Tyrol, which is these two parts, Salzburg, Carinthia, Styria, Burgenland, Lower Austria, Upper Austria, and Vienna. Now, let's get back into our first category, which is size. And in third place, we have Tyrol with a size of 12.6 thousand kilometers or 4.8 thousand miles. And if it were a country, it would be the 157th biggest, bigger than Vanuatu, but smaller than Montenegro. In second place, we have Styria with a size of 16.4 kilometers or 6.3 miles. And if it were a country, it would be the 154th biggest, bigger than Timor-Leste, but smaller than Eswatini. In first place, we have Lower Austria with a size of 19.1 kilometers or 7.4 miles. And if it were a country, it would be the 151st biggest, bigger than Fiji, but smaller than Slovenia. In seventh place, we have Burgenland with a size of 3.9 kilometers or 1.5 thousand miles. And if we're a country, be the 167th biggest, bigger than Samoa, but smaller than Cape Verde. In second to last place, we have Vorarlberg with a size of 2.6 thousand kilometers or 1,000 miles. And if we're a country, it would be the 168th biggest, bigger than Luxembourg, but smaller than Samoa. In last place, we have Vienna with a size of 415 kilometers or 160 miles. And if we're a country, be the 184th biggest, bigger than St. Vincent and the Grenadines, but smaller than Barbados. And next, we have population. And in third place, we have Upper Austria with the population of 1.5 million. And if we're a country, be the 151st most populous, more than Bahrain, but less than Trinidad and Tobago. In second place, we have Lower Austria with 1.6 million. And if we're a country, it would be the 149th biggest, more than Trinidad and Tobago, but less people than Equatorial Guinea. In first place, we have Vienna with a population of 1.9 million. And if we're a country, it would be the 148th biggest, more populous than Latvia, but less than North Macedonia. In seventh place, we have Salzburg with a population of 560,710. And if we're a country, it will be the 167th biggest, more than Malta, less than Cape Verde. In eighth place, we have Vorarlberg with a population of 401,000. And if we're a country, it would be the 172nd biggest, more population than Iceland, less than Belize. In ninth place, we have Burgenland, or last place, which is 297,000.5. And if we're a country, it would be the 174th biggest, more than Barbados, less than Vanuatu. And now we have population density. And in third place, we have Upper Austria with 126 people per kilometer or 325 people per mile. And if we're a country, it'll be the 74th most densely populated, more than Syria, less than Jordan. In second place, we have Vorarlberg with density of 154 per kilometer or 400 per mile. And if we're a country, it'd be the 61st biggest, more than Kosovo, but less than Togo. In first place, we have Vienna with 4,654 people per kilometer or 12,074 per mile. And if we're a country, it'd be the second most densely populated, more than Bahrain, but less than Singapore. In seventh place, or third last place, we have Burgenland with 75 per kilometer or 194 people per mile. And if we're a country, it'd be the 114th biggest, more than the Cook Islands, but less than Tunisia. In 8th place, we have Tyrol with 60 people per kilometer or 156 people per mile. And if we're a country with the 129th biggest, more than Guinea-Bissau, less densely than Cameroon. In last place, we have Carinthia with a density of 59 people per kilometer or 153 people per mile. And if we're a country with the 131st most densely packed, more than Guinea and less than Panama. And now we have GDP. And in third place, we have Lower Austria with 61 billion euros or 68.5 billion USD. And if we're a country, we the 79th biggest, more than Belarus but less than Croatia. In second place, we have Upper Austria with 65.8 billion euros or 73.9 billion USD. And if we're a country, we the 74th richest, more than Angola, less than Ghana. In first place, we have Vienna with 96.4 billion or 108.3 billion euros. USD. And if it were a country, it would be the 64th richest, more than Puerto Rico, but less than Kenya. In seventh place, we have Carinthia with 20.8 billion euros or 23.4 billion USD. And if we're a country with the 113th most richest, richer than Bosnia and Herzegovina, but less than Zimbabwe. In eighth place, we have Vorarlberg with 19 billion euros or 21.4 billion USD. And if we're a country with the 114th richest, richer than Zambia, less than Bosnia and Herzegovina. In last place, we have Burgenland with 9 billion euros or 10 billion USD. And if we're a country, it would be the 148th richest, richer than New Caledonia, less than Rwanda. And now we have GDP per capita. And in third place, we have Vorarlberg with 48.5 thousand euros or 54,497 USD. And if we're a country, it'd be the 15th richest, richer than Finland, but less than Sweden. In second place, we have Vienna with 51,000 euros or 56,306 USD. And if we're a country, it would be the 12th most GDP per capita, richer than Austria and less than Netherlands. In first place, we have Salzburg with 52.4 euros or 58,879 USD. And if we're a country, be the 12th richest, richer than Austria but less than the Netherlands. In seventh place, we have Carinthia with 37,200 euros or 41,800 USD. And if we're a country, we're the 25th richest, richer than Malta, less than Andorra. In eighth place, we have Lower Austria with each person earning 36,500 euros or 41,013 USD. And if it were a country, we're the 25th richest, richer than Malta and poorer than Andorra. And in last place, we have Burgenland with 30,700 euros or 34,496 USD. And if we're a country, it'd be the 30th most richest, richer than Thailand, but Taiwan, but poorer than Brunei. And now the whole country, we have size. We have Luxembourg for Vorarlberg, Vanuatu for Tyrol, Salzburg is Sudan, I think. No, it's Jordan. And Carinthia is Cyprus. We have Timor-Leste. Lower Austria is Qatar. Upper Austria is Fiji. Then there's St. Vincent and Grenadines and Samoa. And population, we have Trinidad and Tobago, Bahrain, Malta, and we have Solomon Islands, Iceland, Cyprus, and Barbados. Don't forget Latvia. And population density, we have Burkina Faso, Bahrain, Cook Islands, Syria, Tunisia, Uzbekistan, Guinea, Guinea-Bissau, and Kosovo. And GDP, we have Zambia, Bahrain, Macau, and Bosnia and Herzegovina, Azerbaijan, New Caledonia, Puerto Rico, Belarus, and Angola, UAE, Malta, Austria, we have Taiwan, we have France, we have Austria, we have Malta, Germany, and Finland. And yeah, this is the end of the video, and stay tuned for our next video, which we have Switzerland next. And goodbye.